Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins and I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. In this series, I provide you helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and some of the benefits available to you under it if you suffer an injury at work. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation and what it is. The Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation is an administrative agency that's set up to administer Georgia's workers' compensation law. Basically, what that means is it's mainly a court system for the workers' compensation benefits in Georgia. There are judges that are appointed to conduct hearings on workers' compensation cases, and there's also an appellate division that's appointed to deal with appeals in workers' compensation cases. There are other employees that work for the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation as well. There's an alternative dispute resolution unit that provides mediation services and other services such as ruling on motions for changes of physician and other issues. There's a rehabilitation unit that provides services mainly in catastrophic workers' compensation cases. Those are cases where someone's received a catastrophic designation, which basically means a very serious injury of some kind, and they need special types of benefits. And there are all other sorts of divisions as well. Basically, you may hear of the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation either because you have a hearing or a mediation scheduled there, or because you receive a form that says Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation on it. These forms are actually documents that are published by the State Board of Workers' Compensation, but those forms are not completed by them. The forms are actually usually completed either by your employer, the workers' compensation insurance company, or an attorney that represents the insurance company, or maybe your attorney. But a lot of people get confused because when they receive this form in the mail, normally it's not being sent to them by the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation. Although it says Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation on it, often the form is completed by someone else. So don't necessarily think that if you receive a form that it is a judge ruling on your case. There are situations where the State Board of Workers' Compensation will send out forms such as hearing notices or mediation notices or orders on your case. And those will say Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation as well. But a lot of the time when you receive Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation forms, they're not actually orders from the State Board of Workers' Compensation. It may be like a Form WC-2 that's informing you of benefits that the insurance company is contending that you're entitled to, or a Form WC-104 where the insurance company is potentially contending that they can reduce your workers' compensation benefits in the future. So it's not necessarily a judge's decision again. If you've got questions about the State Board of Workers' Compensation or any other issues such as a form that you've received from the State Board of Workers' Compensation, I'd be happy to discuss those with you. I provide free consultations in workers' compensation cases so people can get information about their case without having to make the decision about hiring an attorney. If you'd like to set one of those up with me, you can do that either by reaching out to me through our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, or by calling my office at the phone number that's listed on the bottom of the screen. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or liking it. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.